And the man showed so much solidarity by putting me on the top floor and giving me a city view. That's solidarity right there, period. We're gonna do a quick room tour. Y'all, when I tell you it's hot as hell here, like the humidity is crazy. So go get tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. My outfit. But yeah, today I just wanted to chill. I went to the beach. I read a little bit, put my feet in the water. The sand was mad hot. But tomorrow I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but we'll go figure it out.
I saw that. Yeah. Yeah, I get punched in the face if I say, let's go get a beer on the way.
No. It's day 2. I have my lip liner on and I didn't put on my lip gloss yet, but let me take this down because this hurts when it's on top of your head. So I didn't get to film much of yesterday. I really just went out to go get food with one of my friends. Well, somebody that I just met. We got tacos, we got drinks. And then I came back to the house, not to the house, to the hotel. I showered and I laid in my bed and I went to sleep. It was about like 10, 11 o'clock. I did meet this girl at the bar. I think I put a video of that, of the bar that I went to, which was really cool. So we might get like hookah or something later, but I was like, girl, I'm so tired because I was up since like 5 a.m. because I had like a, I think 8 a.m. flight. So I was kind of up, getting ready, finished packing, came to Miami. The flight was only like 2 hours, landed, went to the beach, got food, got coffee, you know, did a little happy hour pregame and then ate and then came back. And I had a really good time. The beach was not as nice as I expected it to be. The sand was like white, but there was just like red algae in the water. So today I'm gonna go further, like towards the Pointe of South Beach, to see if like the quality of the water is better, see if it's more clear. But right now it's like raining. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, right now it's raining, but per usual in tropical Miami weather. So because it's raining, I'm just going to go to a cafe, get some food, and then I'm going to like edit some shorts, because like when you start a YouTube channel, like your channel is pretty dead, but shorts really like increase the views and the visibility of your channel. So I'm going to edit some TikToks, I'm going to edit some shorts, and then I'm going to go down to the end of South Beach and be cute. I'm just at the beach. I'm gonna be relaxing for the next like 3 hours. Y'all, I paid $20 for that fucking omelet and it was mid. I think they lie about the reviews in Miami. Just got back from the beach. I feel so relaxed. Florida beaches, they eat. Florida beaches eat. That water was so clear. Like, I was not expecting that. They had like white, like little fishes in the water. I'm gonna try to figure out what species they were. And they were just like schools of them swimming in the shallow water. And there were like sandbars all along the coast. I can see how people live in Miami. I see it. I see it. I see it. My third day in Miami. Don't want my bed. Lord have mercy, child. Third day in Miami. Yesterday was really cute. I went to the beach. I went to like the furthest end of South Beach, and like the water was so clear. I was not expecting that. Like, I actually felt like I was in like a tropical vacation. I was like, oh, I mean, Florida is tropical, but like, it felt like I was on a Caribbean island or something, you know. It was really nice. And then I met up with this girl that I also met who was solo traveling. And then we got happy hour drinks together at STK Steakhouse. Lord, we walked right into that restaurant empty. I don't never seen a restaurant empty. It was bone dry. It was bone dry in there. But the food was good. It was decent. You can always judge a place off of their espresso martinis. And the espresso martini was about like a 7.5 out of 10. Still good though. And then we walked around the design district with like all of the I guess like the luxury stores. It was cute, it was nice. And then we went to Voodoo Lounge to get hookah. Some of the worst service I've ever had in my life. I've never seen, you know, I don't want to say Miami has, you know, every city has their issues, but like their customer service is lacking. Like, in anybody who works in retail, anybody who works in business, anybody that has a brain knows that you're always supposed to treat your sorry, I got a text. Everybody knows you're supposed to treat your prospective customers with care and be friendly and be like, hey, how you doing? Here's the menu. We walked into this one bar, I think around I think it was around Wynwood. As soon as we walk in, you know, because it's what, 10 o'clock at night. I think it was like a regular bar. Everybody's just standing outside smoking, whatever. You know, we go in, you know, we're looking for the bathroom because we've been out all night. We're standing at the bar. Then I asked the bartender, oh, where's the bathroom? And then he points, he mumbles something, but I assumed that he was just telling us that the bathroom was down the hall. And then as the girl that I met, as she went, she's the guy's like, oh, it's for paying customers only. Huh? And this is what I said. As soon as he said that, I turned around and I looked at the other guy, and I think there was a guy sitting at the end of the bar. He looked like the owner, because you know like how the owners be looking, they just be sitting there not saying nothing. I turned around and I looked at the guy standing next to me. I was like, usually when you walk into a bar, the bartender hands you a menu and asks you, hi, how are you? What would you like to drink? These are our specials today. because you're gonna patronize a business that you're using the bathroom. Of course, we know this is capitalist America, ain't shit free. And I use the bathroom first, and then I'll patronize your business. Relax. Like, two pretty girls walk into a bar and that's how you act. And they was trying to do that in Barcelona, and I had to just clean it. I had to clean it up real respectfully, but you have to clean it up. You have to advocate for yourself and open up your mouth. Usually when you know, anybody who works in customer service, they know. And then we went to the Voodoo Lounge. The service at the bottom was fine. The service at the top, they must be struggling for their lives. Two waiters for the entire upstairs patio. We walk up the stairs. Anybody who's been in Voodoo Lounge knows you walk up the stairs, and usually you wait to be seated. We're standing there, and then I see, because they're in these like costumes, and the lady looks at me, and kind of gives like she don't look me up and down, but she kind of gives like a, oh God, like more people. That's the look that she gave. And she walked past me, didn't say, oh hi, I'll be with you in 1 minute, I'm just gonna do this and then come back and see you. Normally, right? Is it me? Am I expecting too much? She walks past me. I say, excuse me. Do we just sit ourselves, or can we? She's like, oh, do you want hookah or do you want food? But the way she said it, right, it looked like she was tired, like she didn't want to be there. I was like, what time do you guys close? She's like, oh, we close at like 2 a.m. I was like, oh, I thought it was the end of the night. Because everybody, you look tired. And as soon as I said that, you gotta get them together. Get them together, because you gotta let them know that you're not the one. I'll keep it cute, right? But I will get you together with this boca. Anyways, but yeah, I feel a little sick, low key, because I feel like I've been in the heat, in the AC, and also just being around all these people. So I'm gonna go get me a little smoothie, sit down again, edit some TikToks, post some shorts, and call it a day. You know what I'm saying? Maybe go to the beach later, maybe hang out with one of my friends that lives here, and then call it a day. And then this is the outfit. Real tropical. Riding bikes in South Beach. Got a 2-hour rental for free through my hotel. But it's hot, bitch. I'm out of shape. I'm already breathing hard and heavy, Lord. Just got back from, well, I didn't just get back. I like laid my ass down for like 45 minutes. But I rode bikes along Ocean Drive today, like along the beach. I loved it. Not gonna lie, I need to get back in the gym because I was struggling, but I don't want to give myself too much slack because it is like 89 degrees outside, and it was peak day, like it was like 12 o'clock. I was riding my bike, but either way, the views were gorgeous. My hotel offers like 2 hours of a free bike ride, so I just redeemed it on this app and was able to ride up and down all the way to the Pointe, all the way up to I think 12th or something. But yeah, I loved it. I love how Miami culture is very active. They definitely love to be active in the heat. They love it. But yeah, I'm about to go have happy hour at my hotel. Look how cute this room is. Like, I kind of want my room to look like this. But I'm about to go get happy hour in my hotel. I'm hungry as hell. This morning I only had the smoothie and the ginger shot because I wasn't feeling too well. So after a cute little exercise, I'm gonna have me a good hearty ass meal and then figure out what I'm about to do for the rest of my night. day in Miami. I'm about to spend it at the beach. Soak it up as much as I can. I got my little gingy shot because I'm poisoned by this air.